Hello everyone. Today we are going to discuss the stretch entities. It's a more like the move entities option available in the sketching. In case of stretch entities, you have to select the geometry and the point about which we want to stretch. It's attached with the cursor, and wherever we click 3 times on a position, and it will be moved or stretched up to that point. The other option available in the stretch entities is X to Y. We can select the position of the stretch from these X and Y position controller, and we can stretch the geometry up to that new position.